Hello, today we will see about current ratio. What do we mean by current ratio? So current ratio refers to the relationship between current assets and current liabilities. What is the formula for calculating the value of current ratio? So current ratio is equals to current assets upon current liabilities. Say for example, your business is having an current assets of 2 lakhs and an current liabilities of 1 lakh rupees. It means your current ratio is 2 upon 1. So its proportion will be 2 proportion 1. In short, we can say 2 rupees of current assets is available for the payment of 1 rupees of current liability, and 2 proportion 1, this type of current ratio, exactly 2 proportion 1 current ratio is considered as in the ideal current ratio for any of the organization. How to calculate the value of current assets? So current assets includes those assets which are in the form of cash or cash equivalent or can be converted into cash within the period of 12 months. What do we mean by current liabilities? So current liabilities refers to those liabilities which we have to pay within the period of 12 months. That is, the payable within the period of 12 months will be considered as a current liability. Thank you so much.